What it do, YouTube? A new year, new hustle. You now tune in to Big Drip Media Blog. Let's get it.
When I get to the bag, hitters lost in the sauce. That's why the niggas so mad. Niggas I'ma drip and splash. When I get to the bag, hitters lost in the sauce. That's why the niggas so mad. Niggas I'ma drip and splash. When I get to the bag, hitters lost in the sauce. That's why the niggas so mad. Niggas I'ma drip and splash. When I get to the bag, hitters lost in the sauce. That's why the niggas so mad, man.
What it is, YouTube, it's your boy Johnson back again with another reaction video. Like I said before in previous videos, we're doing city to city, state to state. This week we go all the way to North Carolina, where some North Carolina stand up. First up on the North Carolina week, we got the homie Slime Fool, and the video we gonna react to is G shit. But before we get into that, I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, join the gang. You know this videos for the underground rappers, up and coming artists, home of the urban music and fashion. But like I said before, this is Slime Fool, and the video we gonna react to is G shit. Fuck with it, leave a like in the description. Tell me what y'all rated on the scale of 1 to 10. And also, hit the homie up on IG at slime.fool_ and all that good shit. And just like that, we're gonna get into it. Let's go.
Hey, free seat, long little bank, little bitch. If it's up, that then it's up, there ain't no lacking in the field. They say slime poppin' shit, no ENT, but he be trill. Hit the heart when he your dog, sis legit, and then he squeal. They say the money make you fake, but when you broke, you keep it real. They say pull your pants up, little bitch, I'm thuggin'. Like, what? Pull up on the scene, I'm bust. I don't fuck with that nigga, I don't like that nigga, can't fuck with the ops, no clutch. When I catch nigga lacking, I'm doing damn bad, I'm baking like a cake in the oven. Like King Von said, when I'm wrong with the Austin, fuck it, I'ma keep my cousin. Bottom road nigga, the blitz side. Fuck a clip, we got slime ties. Catch all lacking, we all ride. Shots get fired, we all slide. Hundred some niggas, they all die. We get the marks and come to the bitch with the sticks and the bean like drum line. So we get the at it, then we brought the at it, and then we gon' wait till he come outside. Walk a lot in the club, we catch all lacking, fuck it, you know it's size 5. One thing niggas know I'm a hit. That a nigga make dicks about me. Fuck nigga, I bet I blitz. Don't think I'm talking on the beat. That I'm just talking shit. Been in the streets, I'm thuggin'. Fuck that, little bitch. I'ma put this dick in your stomach. But my girl say, watch what I say in these songs, cause she don't find that shit funny. And fuck, I'm pissed inside the bed, so the Glock in the half be drumming. Said, Mook outside, know that I shoot ties, wanna put up on the scene, they running. We're slime ties, the king of ops, or something like Bumpy Dime. Trap missing and we gon' so fast. While I pop on the beat like Kodak. Got an eye on me, I'ma blow that. That slide gon' go, they know that. And if I blow today, the ops still gotta go. And if I go today, the pot still gotta go. Oh, you think you killer, you ain't even got no pistol, bitch. Fuck nigga, you a little boy, you soft as tinsel, bitch. And when I catch you like the wind, you know I'm blowing jit. They say slime, let them live, but I'ma show the jit. And when I hit you, it's no man, so you gon' know it's me. And I ain't worried once I swerve, I'ma roll the weed. Yeah, cause we be smoking on dead eyes, you know we gon' roll in my backwood. You know I'ma smoke to my head pop. When I smoke, I taste so. Can't feel my face, no I'm dead gone. When I smoke, I feel right. Knowing damn well I'm dead wrong. Just shots up, hit him up high. We try to knock a nigga head off. Told Cash, bro, I was gon' catch him when that motherfucking bread gone. Cause in the booth, bitch, I be spazzing, but I'm barely rapping. But in the booth, I keep that faster, bitch, it ain't no capping. What? You gon' do something to who? Who gon' do something to me? Let them run up, play stupid, they know it's first degree. What? You know I'ma pull up and hit. You know I don't fuck with you, nigga, I don't fuck with your kind, I don't fuck with your bitch. And when I spin, I'ma come back around just to make sure I'm miss. Got 100 racks on the bottom of the yard, and I love the sound when it hit. Had a pretty dumb bitch who say dumb shit like you gon' drown with the fish. Don't be a fool, just cuss you down, she on the round for your penis. If it's up, that then it's up, there ain't no lacking in the field. They say slime poppin' shit, no ENT, but he be trill. Hit your heart when he your dog, sis legit, and then he squeal. They say the money make you fake, but when you broke, you keep it real.
Hey man, like I said before, that's our homie Slime Fool. In the video we just reacted to a G shit. I fucks with that. I get a motherfucker strong 8. Alright, on top. Like I said before, if you fuck with his music, you know, comment below. Hit the like button and tell me what y'all rated on the scale of 1 to 10. And also hit the homie up on IG at slime.fool_ and all that good shit. And just like that, we gonna get into the next one. Like I said before, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the gang. And like that, we out this bitch. Remember, y'all so hard than yesterday. Salute.
Niggas I'ma drip and splash. When I get to the bag, haters all to the sauce. That's why these niggas so mad, man.